Hi everybody, Marisette Nogueira with Crafty Zed Creations with one more tip for you. This is actually something easy, and I'm going to show you how to use the clear old vinyl that we use to cover the table as a back for the vinyl, the sticky vinyl that we buy at Hobby Lobby or Joann Fabrics. And I'm going to use this one. And I have another one that I'm going to use too. I have a couple samples. But anyways, the purpose of this is just to make the vinyl, the sticky vinyl, stiffer and more durable and maybe waterproof. So let's go. So this is what I'm going to use. This is the vinyl roll from Joann Fabric. It comes, I bought a package of 6, but see, it comes like this. And also I'm going to use, this is the one from Joann, and also I'm going to use this one from, this is from Hobby Lobby, and it's the same kind. So let's see which one is gonna work better and what's the difference between them. And I'm going the clear vinyl, it's just a regular clear vinyl, the ones you use to cover your table. You find this at the section where they keep the big rolls of vinyl, like in the back of the store. So that's what I'm going to use. I got different colors for the one that I got at Joann Fabric. So, but with the one that I got from Hobby Lobby, I'm only gonna use, just this one, just this. So let's start. I pre-measure everything just to make it easy, and I also wiped the clear vinyl with alcohol just to remove any residue, so just to make easier to stick to the sticky vinyl. And you're going to need just I have like an old Starbucks gift card. I pre-measure everything and I cut everything just to make sure that I have the right one. This is perfect. Peel off the side. Let me start on this side. This is kind of tricky in the beginning, but just peel off a little bit. Make sure that it's centered. I have enough of the clear vinyl so I don't have to worry about it. Rub the beginning. As you peel off the back, you just keep pressing. This way is less likely to have any bubbles. If you get any bubble, just use a safety pin and just poke a hole in. The air comes out. Okay, turn this over and scrape to make sure that there is no air trapped there. So now I'm going to trace this. Be careful pay attention when you're going to trace, so you don't trace on the wrong side. I'm just going to use a regular scrapbooking pen that I have, and make sure you hold this down because it's a vinyl, it's very slippery. I'm going to trace everything just to speed up the process so the video doesn't get too long, and I'll be right back. So I traced everything, finished cutting everything, and be careful with one thing when you after you put the clear vinyl on the back. See how I have a little mark of the pen that I use? Just leave that for a little bit so you know which side. With this one I don't have a problem because one side is white and the other side is you know, with print. But with this, if you're going to use something like this, it's very hard to tell which one, you know, which side is the right side. So just keep that in mind when you do it. I'm going to use E6000 to glue because I did try with the hot glue gun and it doesn't stay, it doesn't glue. So I just put a little bit of glue here on this paper because it's too messy, it's too thick. So I just gonna do like this. When you do this, you have to wait for the glue to dry. So I'm just gonna put a little piece of glue in there. I'm using this little gadget that I have just because it's easier. And when you do this, you wanna put a little a clip. Just get an alligator clip because if you don't, it's not gonna hold. It does get really stiff, so it's not gonna hold. Make sure that it's centered and wipe my fingers. That's why I like to use you know, you can use a spatula or something. You have better control of the glue when you do this. I put enough, but make sure that you spread evenly. It's a process to make this. It's a process because you have to make sure that the glue is dry, and you don't wanna, you can't get the bow, you know, all the pieces together if it's not dry. With the E6000, it does take a while to dry. So just clean this excess. Okay, put this on the side, let that dry. Same thing with the other ones. I do have a fine tip for the E6000, but that tip is just aggravation more than anything else because it's always clogged, so I'd rather just do this. It works for me, so you do whatever works for you, and you can try other glues and see what works for you. Make sure you don't have glue under the alligator clip or you're going to glue that in the wrong place. So I'm just gonna clean up the sides a little bit. Okay. So I can't put everything together now because it's going to dry. So I did wait to dry, and I actually waited 24 hours to make sure that you know, everything was really dry. So it's pretty good. So now all I have to do is just to put the alligator clip. So I have the alligator clip here. I'm going to seal the ends of the ribbon so it won't fray. Just put enough glue. And I'm gonna say this again, I always press the ends in so it doesn't stick out and get stuck to the hair. This side's pretty good. When I do the alligator clip, I don't go with the glue all the way down right away. Turn around to see if it's even. Then turn around to finish the rest. Do the same thing, turn over. Make sure you get the glue all the way down on the corner, and I always make sure that my ribbon is inside the teeth so it doesn't stick out and get stuck in the hair. I'm going to use the a mix of both, the hot glue gun and the A6000 for the back. First I'm going to apply the A6000. Again, I'm going to use this because the tube is so hard to get and it's so messy, so I rather use this. I'm putting enough to make sure that this is not going anywhere. Now just put a little dot in the middle just to hold it for now. I put the hot glue in the middle just to hold for now because I'm going to put the ribbon and then I'm gonna let this sit and dry. I'm going to use this ribbon. I'm not worried about using the hot glue for the ribbon because it's going to wrap around the alligator clip, so it's not gonna come undone. Always make sure you seal the end so it doesn't fray. And again, I'm going to use a little bit of the glue right in the middle. press right there. Put more glue right there to hold it. Wrap around one more time. A little bit more glue, and now this time I put glue on the sides too. Let's see. I'm going to finish on the top because I'm going to add embellishment. Seal the ends again. Here we go. It looks beautiful. I doubt this is going anywhere because the ribbon is there twice. I wrapped around twice. And now I'm going to just use a clip and place on the sides and wait for this to dry to make sure that the E6000 dry, you know, close enough to the alligator clip, so it doesn't separate. I'm just going to put this here and wait to dry. But look at this, it's beautiful. Another option, I think it's worth the try, and just use your imagination and see what you can come up with. I might put this here later. I haven't decided, so I think I might use that little ice cream cone. I haven't decided yet, but anyways, so this is the idea for today. You know, it's just another tip, and hopefully you be able to make something beautiful. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thumbs up if you like the video, share with your friends, and let's just keep crafting. I'll see you next time. Bye.